What's up guys, my name is Angelina and welcome to my channel. Today I have a makeup haul for you guys. I purchased some stuff online from Sephora from the VIB sale, and let me tell you, that took so long for it to come, like I cannot. And I also purchased some stuff from Ulta online because they had a 20% off the same time the VIB sale. Like, isn't that so petty? And they make me broke, so I'm gonna show you guys what did I get from Ulta and Sephora. So I did purchase some stuff at TJ Maxx, and I'm gonna just throw it in this haul because it is makeup and it is discounted. So yeah, the first thing that I got is the Anastasia Glow Kit in Aurora. Every time I go to my TJ Maxx to see if they have it, it's always broken, and this is the first time ever. I was so excited. It was the last one, and I got this for $25. And isn't this some shit? The next day Ulta and Sephora decided to put it on 50% off. This kit 50% off when I buy it for $25. So the next thing I got from TJ Maxx, which is the last thing, are these lashes. I was so excited when I seen this. I'm telling you, my mouth dropped. I was like, oh my god, babe, they have these lily lashes from Sephora. He's like, oh really? He was just, you know, there. But yeah, I was so excited. I got them in this style. I know I'm gonna pronounce this wrong. I believe it's Mikana, something like that. I have no idea, but these are real pretty. I have, I believe, two of the Mikanas one. Oh my god, I hope I'm saying this right. Two of those. These are real pretty and like dramatic. And I have one in the style Miami. This is like more, you know, softer than the Mikana ones. And this one's even more natural, and this one is Havana. It is so pretty. I have yet to use any of them. I got these for $6 each. Can you believe that? $6 each. I cannot. Okay, now we're gonna go into what I got from Sephora. I mostly got like stuff that I need to re-up on. So the first thing that I had to re-up on was this Laura Mercier setting powder, the translucent one. It is my favorite setting powder ever. I got the full size one because I had the little sample size one and I was already done with that. So yes, favorite powder ever. So the next thing I had to re-up on was my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This is also my favorite primer. It's a silicone base and just makes everything nice and smooth. So that was basically it, the two things that I need to re-up on. But I also got the Anastasia and Breezy highlighter. You don't know how excited I was. Every time I went to my Sephora, they didn't have it, so I had them have me on a call list when they did have it. So I ran over there when they called me, and it's just so blinding. So I got another highlighter, which is a new one. It's the Becca Dreamsicle highlighter, and look how cute is this packaging. I just had to. I just really had to do that. But the packaging, the outer packaging is cute, and the actual like product of the packaging is cute too. It is white. It is different from the regular Becca ones. And what intrigued me to get this was because it looked so orange, like a tangerine, but in person it looks more like a vanilla, like golden color. Let me swatch this because ooh, look at that swatch. It is so pretty, and I feel like I kind of am right. It is more like a vanilla gold than a tangerine. You still can see the like orangey base in it. The last thing that I got from Sephora is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and honestly the only reason I got this was because it was already on sale plus the sale. So it was $31 plus the 10% off from the BI sale, because I am a Beauty Insider member. This palette is out of my comfort zone, so I'm glad that I did buy it because it's a lot of darker colors, and I do not do smoky shadows. Like, oh yeah, I'm a mess. And I also love the Anastasia brushes that it does come with. I already dipped in it a little bit, but you know, the lighter colors because that's my comfort. So I'm excited to try it because, like I said, I gotta get out of my comfort zone and start doing some smoky eyes. I know this will be a great palette for that. Okay, now for Ulta, I kind of already used some of the stuff because I made 2 purchases, one before the 20% off and then one for the 20% off. So I really don't know the exact name for this because I already threw away the packaging. I already used it and I know I love it. So this is a 5-piece set from Morphe that gives you 5 eye brushes. It comes with a blending brush, which is really soft and I already used and I love. And this one is a pencil brush and I use this for my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight. Also love. And a liner brush, and as you can see is blue because I used it for my blue eyeliner. And a Packer shadow brush, haven't used yet but it is pretty soft. Last but not least is a flat definer brush, and I use this to define my eyeshadow underneath my eyes, and they're so pretty. Look at the packaging, so pretty. I believe this was only $18, so yeah, I feel like it's worth it. So Ulta had a buy one get one 50% off sale for the Ulta brand, and I got 3 of their brushes and a little eyebrow powder. So let's start with the brushes first. I have got a angle brush and a spoolie, and I try to use this but I don't really know, like it looks nice. The spoolie is a really great spoolie, but the brush itself, it's too like thick and the hairs do not stay together, if that makes sense. So like it won't give you a straight precise line. The next brush is a blending eyeshadow brush and I have not used it yet, but it is pretty soft already. I can tell I'm gonna like it. And the last brush I got is a buffing concealer brush, which I have used for buffing my concealer on my eyelids, and it looks similar to the other brush I just showed, but yeah, it is soft and it's good. So I already like this brush. I already know that I'm gonna like this one, but this one I already know that I don't, but I like the spoolie. I got this Ulta brow powder that looks like the Anastasia ones because it's like split. I got this in the shade Espresso and I use this every day all the time. This became part of my brow routine. I love it. So I got the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade 6C. I got this because so many people said that it was a dupe to the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I got mine in the shade Light Sand. I'm gonna swatch them for you. This one's the Makeup Revolution swatch and that's in the shade C6, and this one is the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. As you can see, this one is more light and brighter and a yellow tone, while this one is a natural tone. I already tried the Tarte Shape Tape and I love it. I'm wearing it right now underneath my eyes, and I tried the Makeup Revolution concealer for a base for my eyeshadows, and it was drying, which I kind of expected because it claims to be a full coverage concealer and most full coverage concealers are drying, but the Tarte Shape Tape one is not really that drying, so I don't think that they're really a dupe. Moving on, I have got the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade 50 Rose Gold. I got this one because I love the other one. I believe is in the shade 100 or something like that, and it's more like a golden, you know, champagne color. I love that one, so I picked up this one and it's so pretty. Look how blinding is that, and it's only like $10. I also got the Master Strobing Liquid one, and this one's in the shade 300 Deep Golden. So this is how the liquid one looks. I don't really know if you can tell, but it is so pretty. It's like a bronzy color. I already could tell that it's gonna look so pretty like on the legs or like your collarbone, you know, your shoulders, like a body glow. It's gonna be real pretty. Can you guys believe that these are my first ever MAC purchases? I never got nothing from MAC ever before. So the first thing I got was the MAC Prep and Prime Skin Fix Plus, and And I got the MAC Pro Wear Concealer in the shade NC20. I did use this for a primer for underneath my eyes, and not underneath my eyes, for my eyelids, to clean up my brows as well. And I love it already, girl. And the next thing I got is the MAC bronzer in the shade Give Me Sun. This is so orange, guys. Look at that. It is so orange. I did bronze up with this today, and when I'm telling you a little goes a long way, a little goes a long way. You will look like a orange if you go heavy. So the last thing I got from MAC is their highlighter, and I got it in the shade Oh Darling. I was so mad when I received it. It was this attached. I had to crazy glue it back. I was like, I have to make sure right now that it's still, you know, stable. But it's so pretty. It's a golden highlighter. Look at that. Just look at that. Just from the swatch from my pinky. Last thing I got is the Smashbox X Velada Petal Metal highlighter. Girl, this is gorgeous. Look at the packaging. The box alone is so gorgeous. Wait till you see the actual packaging, which I'm pretty sure you already did. But look how gorgeous. I cannot. Even the actual product is gorgeous. It has the same print from the outer packaging, and honestly I do not even want to touch it. That's how pretty it is. The only reason I got it is for the packaging, just to sit there looking pretty. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give my video a thumbs up, leave me a cool comment down below, and subscribe to me if you guys want to keep watching me. Bye guys.